Everyone's also raving about our newest show. Well, almost everyone. Your favorite Animal Planet TV programs come to life at Animal Planet Live. Presented by the cable television network dedicated to the philosophy that life is better with animals. Animal Planet Live mixes video, live animal performances, and audience interaction to delight every member of the family.
Where are you going, you goofball?
From emergency vets to the planet's funniest animal. It's more fun than humanly possible. Don't be surprised when things don't always go as scripted, because as anyone will tell you, the animals are running the show.
You're making fun of me, folks. I don't know what's... Hey!